ratios for your special angles. Okay, your special angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. In radians, this is 0. This is pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, and pi over 2. I'll show you sine. You need to know one, right? Then you can figure out all the others. So how can I remember these? You know, this ratio of sine for these special angles. So it's really easy. What I do is I can write over 2 for all of these. Okay, then you write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you put a root on the top, just the numerator. Okay, so what does this become? This becomes 0. This becomes 1 over 2. This is root 2 over 2, so nothing to change here. You can write it as 1 over root 2, but this is the rationalized form. And this is root 3 over 2. And this is 2 over 2, so this is 1. Okay, for cosine, it's the same values, but they go in the reverse order. So this one is 1. This one is root 3 over 2. This is the same. This is 1 over 2. And this is 0. Right? And then tangent is sine over cosine. So you can divide these. Sine by 0 over 1 is 0. 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2 is 1 over root 3. This is the same. So this is 1. This is root 3. And 1 divided by 0, it's undefined, or we write it as infinity. Okay, then cosecant will be 1 over sine for any angle, right? And secant will be 1 over cosine. And cotangent will be 1 over tan. How can I use this in a special angle triangle? Let me show you that. So let's say this is 30 degrees. Since that's 90, then this has to be 60. Now for 30 degrees, what is the sine? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And sine 30 is 1 over 2. That means this ratio is 1 to 2. Right? By Pythagorean, you can check this, or you can check the cosine for 30. Cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. So this over that is root 3 over 2. That's already 2. So this is root 3. Right? And then the 45 is very easy. So this is isosceles. This 45. This is also 45. So 1, 1, root 2. Right? So you can see here, root 2 over 2 is also 1 over root 2. Same thing, right? So 1 to root 2 and 1 to root 2. Both of these sine and cosine are. If you already remember these, that's fine. If you remember these two special triangles, that's fine. But since you will need to recall or use, unless it is already given, for these special angles, what sine, cosine, and tangent, this is a very easy way to build this table. And this is just a way to remember it. There is no logic as such that, mathematically you are inferring. No, these are the values. They just so happen to be that they work out like this, that you write the denominators as 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, take the roots. That gives you the sine for these special angles. Cosine goes in the reverse order. This we will see as an identity, why it happens like that. And tangent is sine over cosine. Then cosecant is 1 over sine and secant is 1 over cosine.